Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you this fun outfit. I'm giving myself all of the Rosie Riveter vibes right now, and I just needed to share it with you. So you guys know how much I am obsessed with halter tops. I love this halter top. It is by the brand Sparkle and Fade. I got it at Urban Outfitters. I really love that it's knit on top. I feel like it adds a little bit of something extra to an otherwise plain shirt. It's also super flowy, which I love, cut a little shorter in the front than in the back. I think it's a beautiful top that you can either dress up or dress down. In this case, I dressed it down a little bit, thinking like summer barbecue, going out, just having a nice casual good time. The shorts are a BDG. I got them from Urban Outfitters as well. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They're great. They just go with everything. I think a dark denim always looks super cute with a black top. And then my absolute favorite is the headband. The headband is from ModCloth. And I think when you're wearing like super plain colors, black, blue, whatever, it's always super fun to add a little bit of a pop of color, a little pop of pattern. I think it is so adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching this outfit of the day. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, guys.